Welcome, students of class 7. Today we will be studying English 1, chapter 8, degrees of comparison. Remember, in chapter 7 we have already dealt with the definition and also with the meanings of adjectives, different kinds of adjectives. Today we are going to do the degrees of comparison in adjectives. Now I want you to look at this chalk. There are 3 chalks here. I'm holding 1, 2, 3 chalks. Okay. Now, are all the chalks the same? They are not. This is long, this is short, and this is the shortest. So, degrees of comparison means what? When you compare things, okay, nouns or pronouns, according to their quality, all right, according to the types that they have. So here we have short, shorter, shortest. All right. So therefore, degrees of comparison are of 3 types. Okay. There are 3 types. First is called positive, that is short. Okay, example. Then comparative, example, shorter. And then we have the superlative, example, shortest. So in a positive degree, okay, we have short. Short means it's not long, okay, it is short. And in a comparative degree, we compare 2 things. We compare 2 nouns, all right. In a comparative degree, we cannot compare many things. Comparative means between 2 things. So here we have one chalk and the other chalk. So short, shorter, all right, short, shorter. So here we have the comparative degree called shorter. Next we have the superlative degree, that is shortest. Like I said, in a comparative degree, we can compare only 2 nouns or pronouns, 2 things. But then when it comes to superlative, that means among all. Among all. So among all these 3 chalks, we have this one, which is the shortest. Okay. Now when we are going to make comparative degrees and superlative degrees, there are a few things that we need to remember. First, words with just 1 syllable. For example, full. This is 1 syllable. Now 2 syllables, for example, honest. 2 syllables, honest. This is just 1 syllable. There are 2 syllables, okay, and 3 syllables, beautiful. These are just examples, okay. Beautiful, beautiful. This is 3 syllables. Now, when we want to make a comparison between 1 syllables, okay, full, we can write full, fuller, fullest. Okay, positive, comparative, superlative. And when we want to write the comparative and the superlative degree in 2 syllables, we cannot write ER. Okay, we have to add the word more. More honest. And then superlative, most honest. Clear? Then in 3 syllables, this is the same, okay. We cannot just add ER or EST or remove the L. We have to add more beautiful, most beautiful. I will repeat. Words with 1 syllable, we can change it into a comparative and a superlative degree by adding ER, EST, okay. But then in 2 syllables, we cannot do the same. We have to add more and most. More for comparative, most for superlative. Same thing with words with 3 syllables. We add more and most. However, there are some words that are an exception. Example, bad. Okay, this is a 1 syllable, but we cannot add ER or EST or I or anything to it to change it into a comparative or a superlative degree. These kind of words, they just change into different words, okay, to mark the degrees. For example, bad, worse, worst. Okay, this is the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Another example, good. We cannot write ER, EST, alright? We have to write good, better, best. Okay, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. For example, Rama is a good student. Alright, Rima is better than Rama. Ashok is the best student in the class. So can you see the difference? When we say Rama is a good student, we are talking about only one person, okay? One noun, one pronoun, positive degree. Rama is a good person. When we want to use the word better, we need to use 2 nouns or pronouns. Rima is better than Rama, alright? And for superlative best, which means that it's among all, so we say Ashok is the best student in the class. So this is all about degrees of comparison. Thank you.